Hello po, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July 1st to July 3rd of 2024, of course. So para po sa mga bago, Cancer, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po tayong isang channel that is Babaylan TV. So yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pwede po kayong sumali. No? You're very much welcome. Ayan. So Cancer want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. No? Cancer. Oh, wow. I feel like binaunan natin sa limot yung tao. Ganun ba? Kalala itong nangyari or kasalanan ni person. I feel like someone here is kind of it's a heightened energy, no? Na parang ayoko na siyang makita, sinumpa, kumbaga, no? Ayoko nang makita, ayoko nang um, ay, ni anino, ni amoy, ni alaala, no? Parang kinamumughi talaga itong taong ito. Um, Ganun ba talaga kasakit ang ginawa ni person para sa'yo, no? Kasi parang I have given you more than once, no? I feel like sa sobrang dami ng chance na binigay ko sa'yo, naupod na ako, napundi na ako, nasaid, no? Kumbaga, nakuha mo ang gigil ko buong taon, no? Um, I feel like anything that reminds you of your person, parang kung pwede lang punitin, no? Sirain, sunugin ang mga bagay na binigay, no? Gagawin mo. Well, yung iba siguro ginawa na, no? With the Five of Cups and the Justice. Oh, wow. So, ganun nga kalala or ganun kasakit. Kasi parang meron dito, ano ba naman itong pinasok kong relasyon, no? Parang sumablay na naman ako sa aking desisyon, no? Ang daming mga dumadating na energies na nakikita ko. One of them is bakit pinabayaan ko yung pag-aaral ko, bakit sinuway ko ang magulang ko para dito sa taong to, no? Bakit hindi ako umalis, mas pinili ko siya, um, bakit hindi ko tinuloy yung career ko, no? Mas pinili ko yung maging kami. And I feel like ngayon parang wala na akong chance. Naubos na yung chance ko, nawala yung opportunities. With the justice card in here, parang at one point in time, gusto kong sabihin sa iyo, Cancer, na pinili din natin talaga. Meron tayong contributions kung bakit nangyayari sa atin itong bagay na ito. Pero kasi ang nakikita ko, pinangakuan ka and ang taas ng expectations natin nung mga nagsisimula tayo. I wanna clarify, no, the Five of Cups kasi ganun na lang ba talaga ang regret natin sa buhay? Or sana hindi ko na lang siya nakita, sana hindi kami nagkakilala, no? Yung time na magkakakilala kami, bakit pa ako pumasok ng 7-Eleven, no? Yung parang ganyan. Nakita ko tuloy siya, uuwi naman na ako kung hindi ako nauhaw, no? Yung mga ganun. Ah, what? Where's the King of Wands? Yeah, may mga pangako nga. And the King of Swords. I feel like yung pangako dito is very certain, no? What I'm trying to say here is sobrang parang sure na sure si person, no? Sa mga pangako niya. Which is hindi naman natupad. In fact, baka yung kabaliktaran pa nga, no? Ang nangyari with the Queen of Pentacles and the Hierophant. I feel like at first, naibibigay naman. So what changed? I am seeing here that this is merely heightened energy probably, no? That you are feeling right now. Ito nga yung sinasabi natin na time heals all wounds. So baka nandito tayo sa situation na kailangan lang talaga ng time to heal, no? Itong pain na nararamdaman natin. Looks for what is hidden. And I feel like itong sinarado nating pinto, ang nakikita ko dito, meron naman chance, no? Merong a possibility na um, it may reopen. Ako baka pati ako sinusumpa mo ngayon, no? Kasi sinabi mo, ayoko na. Pero if we're going to um, tame our emotion, no? Cancer, I feel like napasaya din naman tayo ni person. Again, wala akong ginakampihan dito ha kasi ang sinasabi ng energy dito ng card, no, is meron pa ring pag-ibig. Baka we are just denying it to ourselves, no? Again, ang binabasahan ko dito, pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng yung person mo, pwedeng yung cross-watchers, no? What I am reading in here is the dynamic at yung nangyayari sa situation, no? Or sa inyo. With the chariot, I feel like someone here went a little far from where you at. Kung, I feel like merong plano, no, na umalis. Um, or ikaw itong umalis. But I feel like paparating na rin itong mga solutions sa kung ano mang issue ninyong dalawa. Cancer, this is your card, right? The chariot. I feel like meron talagang mga bagay-bagay, no, na sabihin natin hindi natin hinagap, hindi natin inakala na I feel like pag nakita mo itong person na ito, hindi natin masasabi na manumbalik itong love. Baka lang manumbalik itong pagpapatawad, no? For old time's sake. With the Three of Swords, there you go, and the Ten of Cups. I feel like pinagpalit ka ba? So that's the reason. Kasi I went with the Three of Swords in here. Yung pain, ganun na lang. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. The Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. So it felt like this person mas mas maaga, mas pinadali niya, no? Kung meron man siyang plano, hindi sa'yo sinabi, sinabi nung wala na, no? Um, and it kind of hard for a person to, ayun, na-get ko na, wala man lang akong say, no? Sa mga nangyayari sa relasyon natin. Um, Sana meron man lang akong idea, di ba? Kasi at the end of the day, we are sharing a relationship. Pero it felt like someone here made a decision. Tapos, siya lang ang nagdesisyon. Hindi ko alam. Diba? So, I feel like I am disregarded, not being valued, no? So, parang, ano ko, tau-tauhan dito. Aalis ka kung kailan mo gusto, babalik ka kung kailan mo gusto. May puso ako, 'di ba? Tao ako, may nararamdaman ako. Now I get your point, no? Um, let's check. No? So this is your reading for now, but I am seeing that itong sigalot na ito um, is maayos very, very soon. Kasi the Two of Wands is here, plus the Chariot. I feel like magpapakita and surpassing the challenges, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, these can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. What I'm seeing here is Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, no? Yan, so yan ang iyong reading, no? But let's check here, um, an inner thought or an energy of your person, Cancer. Our love will never cease to exist, no? I feel like ipaglalaban talaga nitong taong to at hindi nito hahayaan na basta ganun na lang. Ayun nga eh, pero bakit nung bumitaw ka, no? Bakit nung bumitaw ka, ang dali para sa'yo. Nung naging mahirap na kailangan madali para sa akin na tanggapin ka ng ganun na lang. It's unfair, no? Napaka-unfair. Um, let's check the message of your spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, or universe, no? Whatever you may want to call this energy. Don't lose sight of the truth. You came here to evolve and grow. It is necessary to experience the difficult times. That is when you will grow most. There is always light at the end of the tunnel, and be proud of your journey. So I feel like if the decision of yours is really wanting to let go of the person, no, let the person go without any baggages. Um, yes, pwede tayo magpatawad. It's not for them, but for you, no? Kasi mahirap maglakbay sa buhay ng meron pa tayong um, mga bagahe, no, sa nakaraan na hindi naman natin kakailanganin, no, sa paglalakbay natin in the future. That's just my 2 cents on this. Sabi nga ng iyong spirit guides is, at one point in time, itong challenges na ito, pinatatag ka, no? Whatever you've learned from this, you're gonna, and I think that you already grow, no? And mabibitbit mo yung learnings sa journey mo, no? Whether it is moving forward or moving with the person again. The decision will be yours. Pero the baggages should be left behind. Um, yung bigat, yung sakit is not needed anymore, and it's not going to help. No? So this is your reading, Cancer. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo din sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel din po yun, Babaylan TV. Pero kung hindi niyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung feeling niyo po hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa description box, meron po dong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. How much is it? You know, how much per question, the QR code, modes of payment. I also have a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to book a private reading or personal reading, nandun din po yung information. So again, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Cancer.